Welcome to the Society of Amateur Radio Astronomers detection of Pulsar B0329+54 using the Green Bank 20-meter radio telescope. Google, we put in ATNF Pulsar. We'll go to that site. So it's the Australia Telescope National Facility. We want to search for the name, right ascension, declination, P0, which is the period, and we'll get, and then we'll look for the signal strength, which is an indication of we're going to be doing 1400 megahertz. That'll be that, and we'll go ahead and submit table. So it just brought up the entire database table. Notice it's the name, right ascension declination, the period, and the signal strength for the pulsar at 1400 megahertz. We'll scroll down till we see B0329+54. There it is on top. We'll see that the right ascension is 0332 hours. Declination is +54 degrees 34 minutes. The period is 0.7145 seconds, and the signal strength is 203 Janskis. So it's a relatively bright pulsar. You see the rest of these down here, they're very low pulsars compared to B0329+54. And we're going to add a new observation. You see the pulsar is right here on the chart. We'll go PSR B0329+54 in the search parameters, and it found it. So everything's set up here. It entered in the right ascension declination and the name. We'll go ahead and add my initials so we know who submitted this, and we'll save and continue. Pulsar mode on this system is in low resolution. There's a filter here for different parts of the frequency range that the system is covering. We'll save and continue that. Okay, here we'll do track. We'll do duration of 60 seconds, and we'll do the minimum integration time. You see the results here: observer name, coordinates, center frequencies, pulsar mode. We'll submit. The system comes up with a ready, which means it accepted our observation request. Now we'll wait until it says completed here. It is now active, which means the antenna has actively taken the request and is performing the operation. This came to status is now completed. We'll go and look at the results. Due to technical difficulties, the observation we just entered did not work very well. So we're going to look at the output of a similar observation done yesterday using the same settings. B0329+54 is the pulsar. You can see that there's what it looks like two signals. These are just measured twice, so you can see the difference between the two. You got a strong signal and a very low background. That shows a very strong pulsar detection. These lines up here is the time versus phase, and you can see that the signals were strong all the way up. Chi-squared is nice and linear here. That shows a good detection. Here is an indication of frequency across the bandwidth measured. You can see that the signal is stronger down at the lower frequencies than on the upper frequencies. That could be used next time to maybe we just look at these lower frequencies because the upper frequencies aren't coming through. This plot here shows the P dot. It's centered here, and this is the period. The period measured was 0.7145 seconds, or 714.5 milliseconds. And when these two are plotted together, period versus P dot, you get this nice point here, which shows that you got a good pulsar detection. Thank you very much in your interest in observing B0329+54 with the Society of Amateur Radio Astronomers. If you like this, please like and subscribe. Thank you.